ready to access your Cigna Dental Provider account and manage your dental-related tasks. Dive into this step-by-step guide on Cigna Dental Login for providers. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter signa4cp.cigna.com into the address bar to access the website. On the website that opens, first type your username, then type your password and click the Login button. If you do not remember your username, click here. If you do not remember your password, click here and reset your password. You can click here to log in with temporary ID. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more informative tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content. Thank you for choosing Login Page as your trusted resource for accessing Cigna Dental Login for providers.